Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock Sanrio Characters Headband in Heartopia X Sanrio Event update. Okay, first of all guys, you're going to open up this menu, the Sanrio Characters Wonderland. Then you're going to participate in this event, Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine. Go to event details and you're going to drag the gacha machine. Okay, the gacha machine is here. There are 3 gacha machines that you can use. You just need to click on this icon to earn more XP level, and I've already used the machine for today, so it's time for the cooldown. And then I'm going to show you guys the rewards. So these are the rewards, and if you want to get the Sanrio Characters Headband, which are the My Melody Headband, Kuromi Headband, and also Cinnamoroll Headband. You just need to level up your total gacha draws right here, and you can also unlock this cute bag, My Melody shoulder bag, Cinnamoroll shoulder bag, and also the Kuromi shoulder bag. So don't forget to use the gacha machine every day to unlock more rewards from this Sanrio Characters event. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Sanrio Characters Headband in Heartopia X Sanrio update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!